Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create an ASMR classic video. Now this is what I mean by that. Let me turn on the volume.
Let's get ready with me today.
So you can create this kind of video by going to this wonderful website I found called Higgsfield.ai. So once you're on the Higgsfield.ai page, all you have to do is to go to the Higgsfield app section and then choose the ASMR classic. Of course you may have to sign in, and once you sign in, just click on the Higgsfield app section, click on ASMR classic, and you'll be brought to a page like this. Now for you to make this kind of video, all you have to do is to upload your image here. So once you upload your image, you can click on what you want your character to say. You can input it here and then click on generate. Now this video will cost you about 23 credits for to make, and if you're using a free account, you can only create this kind of video once. So I would also advise you to go for the premium package. So that's it guys, this is how to create an ASMR classic effect. So you can also use this effect for your videos or for anything you really want to use it for. So that's it guys, let me know what you guys think about this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.